Hi guys, tomorrow is the 1st of June. I'm gonna release the ISO. There are so many videos I still have to make because of all the new things that will come in place. Yes, let him pause. And the thing is, I've made another decision this morning, which I think will help and will clarify things as well if something does go wrong. So it's still the 31st, so tomorrow I'll build the ISO and it will have the exact number. What will you see? This is new. So all the guys that are already Kiro users, we recorded already that we have the CachyOS kernel, right? Check. We have also now the CachyOS Hardware Detector, chwd, right? That's an application, basically a way to figure out what's the hardware and what to install then. So instead of having two lines, I thought this morning, why not take the one that we used to have is the same. The first one is the simple option. I have an Intel machine or an AMD machine, right? Simple. This one is what we used to have in May, which means it's an nvidia-open-dkms, right? So if you need that one, if you already know, all right, that's the one I need, right? That's that one. And the option number 3 is the option from CachyOS, right? So the chwd is gonna auto-detect. Now you need to know that the ISO of Kiro, the nvidia-open-dkms is like they say baked in, right? It's already on the ISO. So in the first line, we remove it. It's gone because we don't have NVIDIA, we have AMD and Intel, right? Second line is we keep. So we end up with nvidia-open-dkms. In the third line, we're going to remove again nvidia-open-dkms, and then it's up to chwm, right? At the W, right? Let him figure out what needs to be installed. So that's a quite important bit here. And I've also already posted everything on the website. In the facts is where you can find it, Control F NVIDIA, and you'll find it at the bottom. But basically this covers your every choice, except maybe the last one. If everything fails, right, you go to Save Graphics, No Mode Set, and then it's the Archlink's way of doing things. You figure out, okay, what's my driver? What do I need? Okay, and then maybe your own scripts. You'll run those and off you go. So that's a major decision this morning to split these two in two, this one in two. So we have 3 options now, and the 2 first are the way is the way we went in the May. We used in the May ISO, but this one is number 3, and we hope for the best, right? You test it. Cheers.